pre-upgrade checklist. Check version compatibility, FMC greater than or equal to FTD, confirm HA health and sync. Ensure enough disk space and NTP sync. Schedule maintenance window. Log in FMC, then go to System and Backup and Restore. Then go to Manage Device Backup. Select H appears FTDs, then click the Start Backup option. Backup process need to 5 to 10 minutes based on device. Go to Devices, then Device Management, and check the current version of the FTDs. Current version is 7.0.1 and FTD models is Firepower 2110. Go to System, then Product Upgrades for check the available version for FTDs. If your selected version is not found, you need to update the firmware. I have already updated the Firepower 2110 FTD to version 7.4.2. Click Upgrade to start the process, then click OK to proceed with the update. Select the FTD hop pair, then add it to the selection to proceed to the next steps. Select one cluster pair to update to the new version, verify the update version again, then click Copy Upgrade Package. Click Continue to copy the upgrade packages to the selected devices. The process may take 10 to 15 minutes depending on the system. After copy the upgrade packages, then need to click Next for readiness checks. Now, check the compatibility and readiness preferences, then run the readiness check. Click Run Readiness Check to check system's readiness. Once the readiness check is complete and the passed message appears, click Next to begin the update process. In the final stage, check the current version and the update version. If everything looks okay, click Update to start the process. Upgrade the primary device first. After the upgrade, the FMC will automatically trigger a failover. Next, upgrade the standby device. Once both devices are upgraded, the hop pair will resync automatically. The entire upgrade process may take approximately 30 to 50 minutes, depending on system performance. After complete the upgrade check via device, then device management. You can now view the updated information, including the new version, FTD name, model, and the version change status. Now, you need to deploy to sync the HA configuration. Thanks for watching this video.
Please subscribe my channel and like this video.